Are you still relying on confusing spreadsheets and manual logs to manage your company's valuable assets? In today's business landscape, inefficiency costs more than just time, it costs money. It's time for a smarter approach. Introducing MyAssetTracker, the powerful yet intuitive asset management platform brought to you by Triad Solutions. Let's begin with the admin dashboard. From the moment you log in, you have a complete, at-a-glance overview of your entire asset ecosystem. Instantly see pending requests that require action, a real-time count of your total, available, and in-use assets, and a clear breakdown of all your asset types. This is where the true power of centralized management comes to life. Navigating to the asset list, you can see the central repository for all your company's equipment. We track every critical detail you need, from purchase dates and serial numbers to the currently assigned user, their employee ID, the office, and the asset's specific location. You can instantly see the status of any item, whether it's available, in use, under maintenance, or has been retired. Compliance is no longer a chore. With a single click, you can update an asset's calibration status or mark an audit as verified. The system automatically logs the action and sets the next due date, ensuring your equipment is always ready and compliant. Adding new equipment is just as simple. By clicking Add Asset, you can quickly populate all necessary information. Let's add a new laptop. We'll assign an asset number, select its office, and set the last audit date, letting the system calculate the next one for us. We'll fill in the asset name, its location, asset type, and assign it to a manager. We'll add the serial number, set the audit verification status, and since this device requires calibration, we can schedule that too. Once saved, the new laptop is live in your system, with its full history log started from the moment of creation. Data is only useful if you can access it. Our reporting feature allows you to download detailed audit reports, your full asset list, or user request histories into a clean CSV format, ready for analysis or sharing with your team. MyAssetTracker is built for your entire team. From the My Requests tab, any user can raise a new request. Here, a user needs a monitor. They simply select the asset type, choose a required return date, provide a brief justification, and click Submit. That request is now logged and awaiting admin approval. The admin panel provides full control over your organization's structure. You can manage office locations and user accounts with ease, defining roles and permissions. Adding a new user, assigning them as a manager or user, and linking them to an office takes only a few seconds. Now, let's see the manager's perspective. When a manager logs in, their dashboard is tailored specifically to their team's assets, allowing them to manage their department effectively. A standard user, like Steve, has an even more focused view. His dashboard shows his active requests, and his history page gives him a full record of every asset he's ever requested. Back in the admin view, we can see the new requests. Let's review a request for a vehicle. The system intelligently checks for availability and alerts us that no vehicles are currently free. This is a key feature. It prevents double booking. To resolve this, the admin simply navigates to the asset list, finds the company vehicle, and updates its status to available. Now, when approving the request, the available vehicle is ready to be assigned. With one click, the request is approved, and the asset is checked out to the user. For requests that can't be fulfilled, the admin can reject them and provide a clear reason, ensuring transparent communication across the team. Once the user is finished with the asset, they navigate to their request history and simply click Return. The asset is immediately updated as available in the system. If we look at the vehicle's detailed history, we can see a complete, timestamp audit trail of every action, from creation to assignment and its final return. For deep dive analysis or record keeping, you can export this complete history for any asset at any time, giving you an unbreakable chain of custody. Stop chasing assets and start driving business value. MyAsset Tracker from Triad Solutions provides the clarity, control, and efficiency your business deserves. Ready to transform your asset management? Visit our website to schedule a demo or start your free trial today. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.